A nightclub in suburban Stone Park where a woman was shot and killed is going to be closed until further notice.
Victim's family has filed a wrongful death lawsuit. They plan to add the name of the security guard accused in the deadly shooting. He faced a judge today. WGN's Courtney Spinelli has more.
The suspect, 34-year-old Kevin Henley, will be released on electronic monitoring pending trial. At the time of this shooting, prosecutors say he was on first offender probation and he was not allowed to legally have a gun. Climbing a mountain of grief, Fabiola Pacheco saying she just wants her daughter back. 21-year-old Zuma Daniela Calderon Pacheco, an innocent bystander, was killed when prosecutors say 34-year-old Kevin Henley Jr., a bouncer at Mansion Live, fired a deadly shot.
Everything happened so fast. She just dropped behind me.
Pacheco's family and her boyfriend, who saw everything, want accountability in her death. They're suing Mansion Live nightclub and plan to add Henley and the security firm he worked for as defendants.
Why did they hire a security guard that has a criminal history, that has no right to carry a gun under Illinois law, doesn't have a FOID card, and wasn't properly trained?
Around the same time as these remarks, the suspect facing a judge. Court records show Henley claims he was trying to stop someone from groping a woman, and that's when a group of guys surrounded and started to hit him. During that fight, prosecutors say Henley pulled out a gun.
The defendant then raised the gun and with the gun in his hand makes a windmill punching motion towards an unidentified person or persons. The gun was discharged once during this motion.
Prosecutors saying Henley changed his story. He told investigators, first saying he was firing a warning shot, then saying he wanted to stop the commotion and he didn't plan to fire the gun. Court documents show he walked away after the shooting, never checking on Pacheco or anyone else.
It's sad to see her that she's not here no more. And that she went out this way.
Henley was employed for just about 2 weeks at the nightclub before the shooting.
The bouncers in this club are not supposed to be armed.
A prior gun charge Henley is on probation for would have prevented him from having one regardless. He told prosecutors he paid $600 in cash to get the gun. Court documents read, quote, the defendant took the gun and hid it under a tile in the upstairs bathroom of the club. He then went home. Henley now faces charges of involuntary manslaughter and aggravated unlawful possession of a weapon. By law, 2 offenses that allow offenders to be released if a judge sees fit. Quote, albeit tragic, the law is the law, said the judge. Quote, no proffer to indicate he was aiming at anyone specific or that he intended to fire the gun. Facts support a reckless conduct, but unintentional outcome. Henley will appear in court tomorrow at 26th in California on his other case, but he'll be back here in April for his next hearing on this case. In Maywood, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.